Are you tired of guessing how much fabric you need for your sewing projects? Look no further. The Sailrite Fabric Calculator, designed and coded by Jim Grant himself, is here to save the day. Sailrite's Fabric Calculator determines how much fabric yardage you need for your projects. Cushions, pillows, awnings and canopies, patio umbrellas, sling chairs, window treatments, sail shades, and more. The Fabric Calculator takes the guesswork out of buying for every sewing project by crunching all the numbers for you. Simply go to sailrite.com, click on the Learn drop-down tab, and click Fabric Calculator. We have also linked it in the description below. All you have to do is choose your DIY, then enter the dimensions of your project, the width of your chosen fabric, how many items you're making, and some other basic information. The calculator automatically determines your required fabric yardage. It also allows you to drag the panels around to find the most efficient patterning layout. Some of the calculators even include a list of other supplies you'll need to make your project, including basting tape, zippers, and recommended thread and hardware. Within the Fabric Calculator is also a foam nesting calculator that helps you determine how many sheets of foam you need to order for cushion and upholstery projects. Whatever you're making, the Sailrite Fabric Calculator will help you map out how to cut your fabric and foam to maximize efficiency, reduce waste, and save money. So why stress over material calculations when the Sailrite Fabric Calculator can do all the hard work for you? Try the calculator by clicking the link below and get ready to make the process of ordering project materials easier than ever. If you want to see more helpful hints, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.